Hey everybody, I'm Sifu Bodhi. I am so excited to announce the release of my brand new video tutorial series called TCM Prescriptions. And this series will cover all the major differentiations that we see in traditional Chinese medicine, whether that's liver qi stagnation or lung yin deficiency or spleen qi deficiency with damp accumulation. We are going to teach you techniques that you can use for self-care. We'll begin with powerful visualization techniques to clear stagnations in the meridians. We'll teach you the most effective and efficient acupuncture points that you can use acupressure to stimulate these points and help your condition. And then, of course, we're going to teach you some tonifying Qigong exercise used to treat the organ that's associated with the condition. Now, these programs can be used for students who are learning their acupressure meridians, learning their acupressure points, and want to learn some Qigong to eventually treat their future patients. For practitioners to give their patients homework in between their treatments. This will increase the efficacy, efficiency, and success of their practice. And of course, for the individual, the patient, to help treat themselves, because self-health care is always the best health care. This will give them the opportunity to do work between their sessions or treat themselves. Now, this series is an incredible addition to the hundreds of programs we have here on Bodhi Medical Qigong. Check it out.